This is basically for IT administrators. This is not for the contact center guys. What this is basically supposed to show is our version 1, if you will, of the Microsoft Teams integration. That means you've got your contact center software, you've got a phone system, usually a hardware-based phone system, and we're simply making a connection from contact center to Microsoft Teams, which is already great because you have all the great takeaways that Mike was talking about earlier: efficiency, collaboration from contact center, as well as internal Microsoft team members. In the next year, Microsoft is doing us a great favor, us meaning not just us as software vendors, but as companies. They are opening a Microsoft phone system to basically open a transport layers, ultimately making it possible to get rid of your telephone hardware if you want to. If you've got your Avaya, your Cisco, your whatever system, we know that can be a burden because it is hardware that you need to maintain, configure, etc. And you could you can basically put your telephone system into the cloud and have it operated by Microsoft. Mike mentioned earlier that they already have these phone tariffs, or phone, how did you call them? The plans, the telephone plans.
Yeah, calling plans. Yep.
The calling plans. So there is the option to, let's say, slimmen your IT infrastructure and get rid of the hardware telephone system. This will happen somewhere in 2021. We are hoping for first half, but we'll see. Microsoft and we ourselves, we're going to keep you posted on this. And this is another leap ahead, because then we can really have an even more integrated solution where Microsoft Teams is not just handling the internal collaboration, but it's really your entry and exit point for telephone, for calling in general. That's it.